This is just a really quick video to show you how to connect to the charting spreadsheet that we bundle within BetAngel. The charting spreadsheet, rather unsurprisingly, is called BetAngel Charting, and the concept of this is if you want to create your own custom view of the market with your own technical indicators or your own spin on what you're trying to look at in the market, this spreadsheet will allow you to do that. If I open the workbook and connect, and here we go, you can see we've now connected BetAngel to the next market. Which is not unusual. This is the sort of thing that you see typically when you connect a spreadsheet. But down here you can see dashboard and data. If I look at the dashboard here, you can see that it's showing a chart, and if I click on one of these runners here, it will switch to that individual runner, and then if I click on start, it will start plotting the data from this market. So you can obviously use the advanced charting within BetAngel if you wish, but if you want to create your own completely unique view on the market using charting, then there's absolutely no reason why you can't use a spreadsheet to do so, because obviously you get a huge amount of flexibility. The basic charting that we've got in here basically shows you current price, the moving average, and also a linear trend line of that moving average as well. So you can see here indicating that the market is coming down, that the price is coming down, the market's coming in. You can see that very, very clearly from the spreadsheet. If you want to hop between runners, very easy to do. You can just click on any of those over here, or if you want to stop the charting from updating, then you can click on stop, unsurprisingly. So this is now going off and plotting data. We'll let it plot data for a little period of time here so that it can form a fully formed market. We've actually applied a trend line in here from Excel, so if I right click on here and do format trend line, we could actually choose from a number of different trend lines that we want to see in here. Some are more effective than others, as you can see. But obviously there's no limit, because it's plotting the data from the market. There's absolutely no limit to exactly what you can do within there. There's a huge amount of flexibility that you can build in any type of analysis. There's loads of spreadsheets that you can get off the internet that will allow you to replicate technical analysis or a variety of different types of indicators, or even different ways of displaying data. And by connecting to Excel and using the charting spreadsheet, then obviously this is a good way of pulling in this data and using it to analyze information that's in front of you. I'm just waiting for this to populate a bit and get a bit of data. I think we've probably got enough data at the moment. And if I stop that and we go to the data tab, what you can actually see here is the data that it's collected for all of these runners is now stored in a nice format for you within the spreadsheet. So if you wanted to create, you're not limited to this chart that we've done here. If you want to do additional charting, or you want to shrink that and have multiple charts on the same screen at the same time, there's no limit to the range of things that you can do within this particular function. It's entirely up to you how you want to represent data, whether you want to add additional trends. Do you want to add up the amount of money that's available at one price, the moving average price, or do you want to create a subset of the moving average? It's pretty much unlimited what you want to do from here, but all of this information is available from within the BetAngel charting spreadsheet that comes as standard with BetAngel. So why not load it up, have a play with it, and see what you can come up with.